Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us might face. The problem at hand is when we encounter a situation where our computer mysteriously shuts down or restarts unexpectedly. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of an important task or an intense gaming session. Let's dive into this issue and find out what might be causing it. Now, let's talk about the solution to this unexpected shutdown problem. One of the main reasons behind this issue could be overheating. If your computer is not getting enough ventilation, or if the fans are not working properly, it can lead to overheating and cause your system to shut down unexpectedly. Make sure to clean the dust from your computer regularly, and check if the fans are functioning correctly. Additionally, you can also monitor your computer's temperature using software tools to ensure it stays within safe limits. Another solution to this problem could be related to your power supply. A faulty power supply unit can also cause your computer to shut down unexpectedly. If your PSU is old or not providing enough power to your components, it may lead to sudden shutdowns. Consider replacing your power supply unit with a new and reliable one to see if that resolves the issue. Remember, a stable power supply is crucial for the overall health of your computer system. In summary, experiencing unexpected shutdowns or restarts on your computer can be a real headache. However, by addressing factors such as overheating and power supply issues, you can potentially troubleshoot and fix the problem. Make sure to keep your system clean, well ventilated, and powered by a reliable PSU to prevent any future unexpected shutdowns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a computer that doesn't shut down unexpectedly is a happy computer.